I'm almost sure that we are the one and only owner of a DOP200 at this very moment in Belgium, and we use it here in a special way. We are a diving company. Our specialism is maintenance works underwater in the ports. We won a beautiful contract here in Dunkerque, France. We are here near the Charles de Gaulle lock, and we are involved in removing quite big quantities of mud and oysters and mussels from all the structures. Dredging is putting a pump underwater, suction hoses on it, and the diver is swimming around and sucking up an amazing concentration of thick fat oysters and mussels, and that is so difficult to pump it out. We tried a lot of type of pumps, and in the very end we ended up with Damen, with the DOP pump, and that's at this very moment, to be honest, the one and only solution. So we install the pump at the end of the door, and then the divers bring in the suction hoses one by one, connect them and suck up the mud and the oysters and the mussels with the hose in their hands. That's quite special, and for us it's unique that at the end of the door we install there 60 meters of suction hose, and even then we have enough suction power to suck up everything and to pump it out to the other side of the lock. It's all sucked up and pumped away without a problem, so we are very happy. Our experience was that with the other pumps, they all blocked. In minutes it was over. And then you have to take out the diver, you have to open up the pump, remove the blockage, start all over again, so you lose a lot of time. And the client in the very end started up getting unhappy. So I asked him, please give us a little bit more time so that we can work out a proper solution. That's what we did together with Damen. Damen put everything together, the whole unit, and brought it here. And the very first days we did the dredging work together with a specialist of Damen who helped us to build it up, to start it up, to use it, and so on. And then after 4 weeks of pumping, we had our first blockage with a piece of metal in the propeller. And I called them, it was somewhere a Friday afternoon, and Monday morning at 8 o'clock the specialist of Damen was here to help us out with opening up the pump and removing the blockage. We have a lot of pumps, but this series is expanded now with this beautiful DOP200 pump. So we have the whole range to all the necessary dredging work that you can imagine that a diving company needs.